Hey, welcome to this video. In this video, we'll see how to create your first HTML page using just HTML and some CSS. We'll start from the very scratch. So here I have a folder called HTML Pro. Inside I have a file called index.html. So I'm just gonna open the browser alongside the editor. So here I'm using the Atom editor. Uh, this is an empty HTML page. This is a browser which is browsing the index.html file right now. So the HTML, so your HTML page starts with an HTML tag first. That's the ending tag and the closing tag for HTML. Now inside HTML we have something called a head. Now this is the place where we define what all styles a particular page uses, or like what all scripts a particular uses. That comes in here. And the third important section that we have is the body tag. So now inside the body you have your HTML content that defines how your page looks. So for the time being, I'll just add one h2 tag here. Now inside the h2 tag, let's type in welcome to HTML. Save it and just refresh this page here. You can see that the h2 tag gets rendered here. So this is how you create your first HTML page. So let's see how you can add some style to this thing. I'll go to the folder and I'll create a file called style.css. Now inside this file I'll be defining the styles related to the index.html page. Now I need to link, let's add some style. So I had we can define a style for a particular element using the element tag. So the element that I'm trying to style is this one, which is an h2 element. So I'll define h2 and then open a curly braces. Now inside the curly braces I can define the styles. So let's define a very basic one, like to change the color of this tag to red. So I'll say color red semicolon and I'll save this thing. Now to link this style.css with this index.html page, we need to go to the head tag here. Inside the head tag we need to add something called a link. Now this link thing, it links the style.css to HTML. So now we need to define a couple of attributes like href that defines the location of this thing. So it's inside the same folder, so we don't have a folder structure there. We can simply say style.css, and we need to define the relevance, or like relationship, not the relevance, the relationship that the style sheet the relationship of the style sheet with this index.html. So the relationship here is the style sheet. With these things saved, once you can save the HTML page and you can go to the index.html in the browser and you can refresh. So you should be able to see that the color gets rendered on this thing. So it means the style sheet is running. Now similarly, you can add scripts also here. Let's say I'm going to add some scripts. So I'll just add a simple script called script.js. Now inside the script.js, I'll simply add one command called hello alert that shows a hello. Now to add the script here, we're done using a script tag. Add the script, add the src, which is again script.js. Now if I save this thing and I refresh the page, you should be able to see the script getting in a pop-up there. You can see that it's showing hello. That's the alert from the script. So that's all for this video. In the next video, we'll take this to the next level by trying to learn something new about HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Thanks for watching.